In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your text float in After Effects. So first things first, select your text layer from the timeline and hit P on the keyboard to bring up the position setting. Next, hold Alt on the keyboard and click on the stopwatch of the position setting at the same time, and then type in the expression wiggle, and in the brackets type in 1/100. So this setting right here controls the speed of the floating, so we can slow it down and put like 0.5, as you can see right here. And this setting right here controls how far the text moves from the center, so we can put 50 for example and change this back to 1. So pretty much you can customize this as much as you want, but if you're unsure, just put 1,100. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial and maybe check out my store for awesome text presets.